Did you get stuck with a dumb MultiPro tailgate? I know I did when I got my Silverado, and I found a product on Amazon that's gonna help fill the gap. Let's check it out. Today's video is brought to you by Lethal Garage Synthetics. If you guys didn't know, I've been an AMSOIL dealer for over 6 years and personally run AMSOIL products in my car, from engine oil, trans fluid, rear gear, brake fluid, etc. Have it all, even their coolant. And if you guys are looking to change your oil or change any of the fluids in your car and want to look for the best product available, hit the link down below in the description. You can sign up as a preferred customer, save 25% off on all of your orders, and on top of that, you can get free shipping. So check it out, hit the link below, and let's get to the video. What is going on, guys? Matt over here with Lethal Garage, and today I want to bring you a video of another Amazon I know, it's probably Chinese junk and it's crap, but I read the reviews. There's been a few people who have checked these things out that have posted on the Facebook groups and say, not only does this product function better than the GM variant, but everyone that I've seen has been very happy with it. There was one review that I came across and they were not happy because one of the wires in the kit were wrong. And what is that? What is it? So let me just kind of jump to it before I really show you this product. So MultiPro Tailgate, it's the tailgate that does all the things and the steps and all the greatness, and you can get it with all sorts of functionality like kicker speakers and lights and, you know, all the stuff. But many of us, we purchased a truck on the lot that we didn't necessarily specifically order, and the dealership may have equipped the truck with the MultiPro tailgate but didn't add all the other functionality, trying to keep the cost down to entice buyers, yada yada yada. Who knows the scenario that you ran yourself in, that maybe you ran into, but I know for me, the MultiPro tailgate wasn't a make or break deal, but there were specific things on my truck, and it just so happened the truck that I ended up getting had the MultiPro tailgate. And now that I have it, I'm like, wow, this thing is just a glorified step. And I tend to mess around with my truck or have to do things late in the evening, and I've noticed even with the bed lights and the back up, you know, upward light, that bottom step is really, really dark. Well, I was like, well, I'm sure GM has an add-on kit to upgrade my MultiPro tailgate, and then I saw the price, and I was like, wait, they want how much for a freaking light? And I was like, let's go see what Amazon's got. So hit the Amazon's, the jungle page, and did a little quick search. And no, I'm not adding speakers to my truck. I'm just adding more lighting, and it comes in handy drastically when I'm loading a race car, getting out here trying to load stuff in the bed of the truck and just want to see. And this is the product. Well, this is one of them. There's two. So it's an LED that's a quick add-on, literally under 60 bucks, shipped to my door with Amazon Prime. Way better than like the 500 bucks GM wanted for adding two lights to the kit. And from all the reviews, everyone's saying these are way brighter, way nicer than the GM product that GM sells, which, hey, if I'm saving, you know, $100 or what is it, $440, let's try it out. So, and that's the great thing about Amazon, because they got return policies and all that other great stuff. So what is in the kit for this? So first and foremost, it arrived in a very inconspicuous plain white box. Comes with zip ties, comes with wiring harnesses, and two LED lights wrapped in these little foam wrappers. So, you know, that's a step up to being better than crap. And I will say the back LED setups are nice. They have that rubberized protection on the circuit board and all that stuff. So at least it's a step above, right? Now, they do highlight a few things that you may want to use silicone or something to make sure it's a nice tight fit and doesn't move around. That to me tells me it's made for multiple vehicles. I think these are made for the 2500s, the 1500s, etc. And so what I did is I have a permanent roll of 3M, I think it's like 3/8 wide tape. I'm just gonna put that on four corners to make sure it's nice and tight in there. So this was not included in the kit. It's tape. You guys should all have tape, like easy. So how does this thing install? Well, first and foremost, there's wiring already in everyone's MultiPro tailgate. It's just easier for GM to do that. All the wiring's there. So we're gonna be plugging into pigtails that are already existing inside. And let's get my MultiPro open and we'll go from there. The install of this is gonna take place basically in these two outer ones. We're gonna go ahead and pop these off. I don't think my finishing tool is strong enough. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, they just clipped in there. Finishing tool was better than the screwdriver. So apologies here. You may be upside down in orientation to how I'm standing right here. So their initial instructions are showing the harnesses we're getting into are down in here. So they do have the little lock clips. Flathead screwdriver allows you to pull those up. And then you depress and pull. Safety clip out. Oh, there we go. Okay. So let's see what this harness is all about. So it looks like we're just splicing into the system. Yep. And of course, this just plugs into here from the looks of it. Am I upside down? Yeah, I was upside down. Can lock that in. This plug. Make sure I got the right ones. Yeah, these are all the same. So this cable is plugging into where you just unplugged from. There we go. And then now, I guess you can kind of choose where you want to run yours. You can do it on the inside or the outside. Let's see if I'm gonna be long enough to, oh yeah. Plenty long enough. So, let's get a little bit of 3M tape here. So I'm just taking a piece of 3/8 and I'm cutting it in half. 3M tape right here. Should have got scissors, but hey, you know, snap-on side cutters. They're amazing. So put that there. Should probably have just put it on the corners, because that's probably where it's gonna rock. So they're showing the lights to be on the top side, so down fire, you know, firing on the step, makes sense. You know, but before I close everything up, I want to make sure this thing works. I don't even know what activates this. If you don't have it from the factory, maybe the rear bed lights, potentially, if I unlock. I don't know, we'll find out. What if I unlock the truck? Is that gonna do it? Nope. That doesn't seem to do it. The bed lights are on. So, and they do say if your truck has the ability to activate it, let me see. Cargo lamps. I think that's what just turned them on, potentially. Or was that just lights in general? Okay, so the cargo lamps turned it on. Sweet. So that worked. And I didn't put tape on this side. So in my instance, flipping on the cargo lamps on the little knob on my truck, flip these bad boys on. Doesn't look like unlocking or locking the truck turned them on, but makes sense that it's linked to the cargo, because you know you're really only using this step when you're using loading and unloading cargo. And you know what? On my 3M tape, I'm not even going to take the backing off on this stuff. I think it's just, it just snaps in. Easy. I mean, if it rattles out or something, maybe I'll come back and I can adjust it, but they have like these little locking tabs, like the factory ones that I just took out. So, deal with it. I started just 2 pieces, but I'm gonna go 4 corners. So this one's gonna have 4 corners and center. So there you go. See, I put them. I started here. Then I'm just gonna do all 4 sides. I mean, those are. I don't think those are going to vibrate. So they gave you some zip ties. I'm just going to ball this stuff all together. Keep this from rattling. So these wires here don't move. So zip tie into that. They have no flexibility. Not going to hear crap moving around. That's all that really matters, right? Where did my side cutters go? I'll do another zip tie over here. Because this is the longer cable, so it seems like it would have the tendency to, maybe I'll even pull it in on it, so I didn't really loop that properly. Double zip tie this side. Look, I get it, Snap-on tools are expensive, but these side cutters, oh my God, these things are glory all day long. So, we're done with the center access points. Which ones did I not mess up the most? Pop those back in. And done. So, next thing to know is how do these bad boys look at night? How bright are they? Well, now that we got those installed, it's really, let's jump or fast forward to the evening and see how these look. So first and foremost, it's dark as heck. I can't see nothing. We'll unlock the door. We'll drop the tailgate so you can see it with the bed lights. Sorry, I got a bunch of recycle in here that I got to get rid of. Button. So this light shouldn't be on right now at all, right? So you have to turn on the cargo lights. I don't know if there's a way to turn on your cargo lights from your key. Maybe it turns on when you hit the, no. I don't know, if you guys know a way to turn on your cargo lights from your key, that'd be great, but this is what you're greeted with at night. It's pitch black. So let's go ahead and, I don't know if you guys have a cargo light on your truck, but you can see cargo lights turn on. So it turns on the upper light here, turns on the bed lights, and dang, yeah, those are bright. Oh, that's nice. That's actually really nice for the price. I guess now it really comes down to how long are they gonna last. I'd say that looks pretty good. Finish this video with my iPhone camera. I think this was a worthy cost investment, whatever, for the truck, for the step lights. Really wasn't that expensive. As you saw, super easy install. There's a link down below to the Amazon link for this product. Again, it's pretty cheap. I am an Amazon associate, so if you do click through the link and do purchase this item, I think I earn like 5 cents. based on the cost of these. So check them out. If you find them at all interesting, or if you do purchase them and put them on your truck, I'd love to hear what you guys think about it. Post in the comments below after you do so. Would always be appreciated. And hit that subscribe button. Thanks for checking out the video. Till next time, guys. See you on the road.